I'm Barry with the Luling Fire Department in Luling, Louisiana. We're here doing our final inspection of our apparatus we recently purchased. We serve a suburban, rural area in Louisiana, right outside of New Orleans. Top features of the truck were our crosslays. We relocated from our previous apparatus to make it more accessible to the firemen. 1500 GPM pump, and we also added a foam system. We are in an industrial area. We have a lot of hazardous material traffic through our area, and we just felt that the foam system would be to our advantage versus carrying 5-gallon foam buckets on our truck. E-ONE's been fantastic. This is not the first apparatus we bought from E-ONE. Sunbelt Fire out of Fairhope, Alabama. Extremely easy to work with, and our local representative near us was just knew exactly what we wanted when we explained, and the process was easy. We were very excited to get here in Ocala to finally see the finished product.